Did you know 93% of online experiences start with a search engine? But getting your site to rank on the first page of Google can feel like an uphill battle. You might be creating amazing content, but it's not getting the visibility it deserves. Many content creators and website owners struggle with the ever-changing algorithms, keyword competition, and just figuring out what works. If you're not optimizing your site for SEO, you might be missing out on a massive chunk of traffic. Stick around, because today we're diving into how to improve your SEO strategy that can boost your rankings in just 24 hours. Before we jump in, subscribe to Jay's Digital Hub for more digital marketing tips. Now let's dive in. First off, you need to optimize your on-page SEO. This means using the right keywords in your title tags, headers, and throughout your content. But don't just stuff your content with keywords, make sure they flow naturally. This simple fix can dramatically improve your click-through rates. Here's what you can do. Make sure your title tag is under 60 characters and includes a primary keyword. Write a compelling meta description, under 160 characters, and don't keyword stuff. Google can smell desperation from a mile away. Next on our list is website speed. You've got about as much time to impress visitors as a TikTok video, so if your website takes longer than 3 seconds to load, bye-bye visitors and rankings. To boost your website speed, here are some quick fixes. Compress images because larger files result in slower loading times. Use caching tools like WP Super Cache to speed up load times. Minimize your site's code. It's like cleaning up your closet for better flow. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify slow loading pages and optimize them. You've probably clicked on a link only to end up at a dreaded 400 per page. Annoying, right? Imagine how many visitors you're losing because of broken links. They're like weeds in your garden. If left unchecked, they'll ruin the whole look. Use tools like Google Search Console, Screaming Frog, or Ahrefs to find and fix these link disasters. This not only improves user experience but also helps Google crawl your site better. Don't forget about your old content on your website. If your blog posts are still referencing trends from 2017, it's time for a glow-up. Regularly updating your old content can breathe new life into your website. Here's how to refresh your content. Update your keywords to reflect the latest search trends. Refresh outdated blog posts with new information and links. Freshen up images and graphics to keep your posts visually engaging. Finally, let's sprinkle some internal linking magic. It's like the secret sauce of SEO. Make sure to link relevant content within your own website. Not only does this help with SEO, but it also keeps users browsing longer. The longer they stay, the more Google loves you. This helps Google understand the structure of your site and boosts page authority. So, there you have it, a few quick SEO fixes that can help you boost your rankings in just 24 hours. Remember, SEO is like planting a tree. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll enjoy the shade. Are you going to try these quick SEO tips? Let us know in the comments. Let's skyrocket your website traffic together.